Our discovery workshops are applicable to customers at any stage of an IoT project. It's run by our technical consultants and our solution architects who have between them years of experience of delivering successful IoT projects. The goal is to help you ideate, define your device, your application, the use case, the business case, the connectivity requirements, and get the outcome you want. It's actually based on making sure your users' experience is what they want. Your customers get what they need and what they desire from your products. At the discovery stage, our experts use the IoT Readiness Framework, which we discussed previously, and associated set of detailed questions for your readiness assessment and provide you with a score based on 0 to 9, just as the NASA framework does. We then use that as a comparison between where your project currently is and the best practices in the industry. These are documented from projects we've done before as Eseye and things we've learned from the industry as well. The IoT Readiness Level score is then used to create a customized LaunchPad roadmap. Now this is important. This roadmap again and the LaunchPad proposal is designed just for you, to improve your IoT maturity, to help you deliver your project and to deliver a successful outcome for you and your business.